Hello everyone, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we are going to continue about quadrilaterals. In the last meeting we have learned about the triangles. If you have your book with you, you can open page 59. Okay, the quadrilaterals are the plane shapes with 4 sides and 4 interior angles. If triangle has 3 sides and 3 interior angles, then the quadrilateral is another level of the plane shape, which is 4 sides and 4 interior angles. The quadrilaterals are given special names according to their properties. The first type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. The parallelogram has 3 properties. The first one is opposite sides parallel and equal. So the top side and the bottom side are parallel. The left side and the right side are parallel. And then the opposite angles are equal. So this angle will be the same with the opposite angles. And this angle will be the same with opposite angles. And the diagonals bisect each other. It means the diagonals meet at a point and then they divide each other into 2 equal parts. Then about rectangle. The rectangle is a special part of parallelogram. It has the same properties with parallelogram, but in rectangle, they have a special angles, which is 90-degree angles. So the first one is opposite sides parallel and equals. It's the same with parallelogram. All angles 90 degree. This is the special situation, the special properties for rectangle. And then the diagonals are equal. Of course, the diagonals are equal and the diagonals bisect each other. So they divide each other into 2 equal parts. The next one is square. The square is the special one. So the most special one. Because all sides are equal, all angles are 90 degree, and then the diagonals equal, diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree, and then the diagonals bisect angles. So it's divide the angles into 2 equal parts. So each angle in the diagonal is 45 degree. So this one is a perfect quadrilateral. We can say that. Next, the fourth one that we have is rhombus. Rhombus has the property that all sides equal in length, same with square. Opposite sides parallel, then opposite angles are equal. Okay, and diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect angles. Okay, next about the trapezium. The trapezium has only one pair of sides parallel. So the top side and the bottom side are parallel. And then the kite. So the kite has 2 pairs of adjacent sides equal. 2 pairs adjacent sides are equal. So this side is adjacent with these sides, they are equal. And then another pair is this side and adjacent to this side are equal. Then one pair of opposite angles is equal. So only the left side and the right side of the angle are equal. Okay, how about the top and bottom angle? It's not equal. The diagonals intersect at 90 degree, here, and then the diagonals bisect angles. So they divide the angles into 2 equal parts. Okay. The next one, all of the quadrilateral has the sum of the angles on a quadrilateral is 360 degree because the quadrilaterals can be divided into 2 triangles. Okay, by drawing one diagonal for each quadrilateral. For example, in this kite and this rectangle, then for the other shapes we can divide into two equal triangle. Therefore, also you already know that the sum of angle on a triangle is 180 degree. So here is 180 degree, here 180 degree. So if we add up all of the angles on a quadrilateral, it will be 180 degree plus 180 degree, which is 360 degree. So this is an important property, and we can use it together with the other properties of quadrilaterals to find the size of unknown angle. Let's see the work example. Okay, so here we have a parallelogram, and then we are going to find the size of the marked angles in each of these figures. Okay, look at this. We have only 70 degree as the angle B, and then how about the other? Okay, the angle B, because this is a parallelogram, the angle B will be the same with the opposite angle of the angle B is D. So the Y here is 70 degree. Okay, how about the X and Z? Because the X and Z will be the same based on the properties of parallelogram. So 70 degree plus 70 degree plus X will be the same with 360 degree. So 140 degree plus 2x equals to 360 degree. So the x is 360 degree minus 140 degree divided by 2. So the x is 110 degree. How about the z? The z will be the same with the x, so 110 degree as well. Okay, how about the rectangle? Okay, here we have a problem about rectangle. We are going to find the measure of angle y and x. Okay, the rectangle here. Don't forget, all of the angles on a rectangle is 90 degree. So this one 90 degree, this should be 90 degree, this total should be 90 degree. Because this one is 65 degree, so the rest is 90 minus 65, which is 25 degree. Because this one is 25 degree, we can just directly find the measure of y using the alternate angles property. Do you remember alternate angles? If we have two parallel lines and then another line cross each other, this situation is called the transversal. So 65 degree will be the same with the y. So y is 65 degree. Or you can use the property of a triangle. So x we have 25 degree plus 90 degree plus y equals to 180. So the total should be 180 degrees. So y is 180 minus 90 minus 25, which is the same 65. It's up to you to use which way to solve the problems, but don't forget about the properties. Okay, next about the quadrilateral. Here it's a unknown quadrilateral. It's just a quadrilateral, and then we are going to find the value of the angle here, x here. Okay, now because the total interior angles on a quadrilateral should be 360 degree, So this one is 70 plus 145 plus 80 degree plus the angle K here, because they are the interior angles of a quadrilateral. The total will be 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 70 minus 145 minus 80. So the angle K here is 65 degree. Because 65 degree, remember the property of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has two equal angles. So the K and here the X angle will be the same. So this is 65, this is 65. The sum of the triangle should be 180 degree. So 65 plus 65, the rest it should be 50. So the measure of angle X is 50 degree. Okay, that's all for today about the quadrilateral. I'm going to give you an exercise. Don't forget to do all the activities on the LMS. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.